Konnichiwa, YouTubers. Here's a good tip for your Husky puppies. Hi, Thanos. Are you liking that, buddies? Huh? Are you liking that, buddies? These bones are filled with peanut butter. Peanut butter. Oh, yeah. There you go, buddies. There you go, buddies. Keep them busy for hours. That and the Deadpool toy. Oh, yeah. There's a lot of fun trying to get that peanut butter out of there, huh, buddies? Huh, buddies? He bites. Hi, buddies. Wow. Maybe on like hour 2 now. Still going. Oh, yeah. Good boys. It's a good boys, huh? It's a good boys, huh? All right. They got that at Petco for $9.99. And he's enjoying it. And by the looks of it, it's going to take him days to get much of that peanut butter out of there. Huh, buddies? Huh, buddies? All right.